This is the program for the game. Here random module is imported. Choices of rock, paper and scissors is created. Computer makes a choice using random module. Then input is taken by the user. If the input and computer choice is same, then it is a tie. If the input is rock, paper, scissors or computer choice scissors, rock and paper respectively, then the user wins as. It gets checked by elif statement. Here 3 conditions are checked using or operator. This if any one of the conditions is true, then the user wins the game. Else the user loses the game. Now let me run the program. Now I'll give input as rock. Oh, computer choose rock, so is a tie. Again I'll give rock, again tie. Again I will give rock, now I won because computer choose scissors. Now I'll give scissors and I won again. Please subscribe for more videos. Like, share and comment for more. Thank you.